CCTV.
Hadu arus pangut kinong Ñiah Shaka, kira shimbenta haka bike rally, belapen long dekat Royal Enfield Shillong. Kum shimbenta ke jing Rakhe ke Republic Day ke banyo punyo snem jong keri India, kabla long haka arpundru trip kulalingkot arajar arpundru. Usahil singla ubedai udila jong ke Royal Enfield Shillong, ulai Thuk beryakan ke bike rally, lasdang na pelau ke State Central Library, bayak keling ke surau ke Sor Shillong ter syuruk ke Shillong nyomer, apa Shillong, balapan kot biang, ha pelau ke State Central Library, bat ha ke juga port ulai Thuk, bagani ke jing tumu ke long man pensha syakipat ba, ya ke rukamnya Thuk arsyaka, ke basingan, bat ke babut renti iki kendon jong ke an, Ñiah kali.
Thank you for coming. So we are organizing bike every year on the occasion of Republic Day. We felt that Shillong has got a very strong motorcycle culture, and people need to get together to celebrate the spirit of Republic Day and the Independence Day, the National Road, together. So we thought that why not organize it for the Royal Enfield riders, because we believe the Royal Enfield riders are the most passionate and the most disciplined bikers among all of us. So I'm the dealer for the Royal Enfield motorcycles over here. So we organize it every year because of that. The rules, we follow those rules. The routes, sorry. So the routes which we were going to be taking is that we start from here. We go to Police Bazaar Point. We go down to Shani Mandir. We take a left from there. We go straight. We go to the Raina Point. From Raina Point, we go left again. We take a left. We go to Dhangiti Point. Then to Don Bosco Point, Fire Brigade Point, back to Dhangedi point, and then we go all the way to 7 Mile, take a U-turn from 7 Mile and come back to back here.
Is this just a normal ride, a female ride, or is it there's a message behind it?
So there is a message behind it because we are also hosting the Royal Enfield Hunter Hood on the 7th of February at Polo Grounds. So that's a street culture, that's a street event where we have a lot of artists who are performing, including Rebel. Rebel is our local rapper who has also performed in Durandar movie. So she's also going to be there, and a lot of other people. We also going to have BMX. We also going to have skateboarding. There'll be a flea market. There'll be food and drinks, and we've priced it intentionally very low. The tickets so that people can come and enjoy it. It's got nothing to do with Royal Enfield exclusively. It's for people to understand the concept of motorcycling. Approximately 200 bikers over here. 150 to 200 bikers, and about 200 to 250 odd people, including Filians. We also have a special dog you will be seeing who always goes with us for the ride. His name is Coco. We also have children who's going to be participating. We follow the rules to the T. We do not allow anybody without helmets, without proper footwear. So that's it. So happy riding from me.
And one more question, like how many female riders participate?
Yes, thank you for bringing this up. We have approximately 15 of female riders who will be participating with us. This is among the first in the country. A lot of army people was also supposed to join, but because of the commitments they could not join. So about 15 riders who has got an exclusive group.